What is the beginning sound of the picture? I. I is for Indian. What is the beginning sound of the picture? J. J is for jetpack. What is the beginning sound of the picture? L. L is for lilac. What is the beginning sound of the picture? I. I is for inchworm. What is the beginning sound of the picture? K. K is for kids. What is the beginning sound of the picture? J. J is for jailer. What is the beginning sound of the picture? K. K is for kiss. What is the beginning sound of the picture? I. I is for itty bitty. This video was brought to you by TechLabShop.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, vocabulary activities, math and reading resources. Try our interactive wall where you can click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the blue subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, we want to say thanks. Don't forget to share our educational YouTube channel with others. You can also follow us on Twitter and tweet us, or retweet your favorite videos to others using hashtag #CompLabTeacher.